Hey, it's Ills here. And if you've ever been a Builderall affiliate, this is something you need to hear. Builderall just announced they're shutting down their affiliate program. As of August 7th, 2025, no new commissions will be paid. No renewals, no second tier payouts, nothing. And if you've got commissions sitting in your account, you've got until September 6th to withdraw them. Miss that deadline, you lose that money, even if you've got $99 in there. If it's not at least $100, it's forfeited. Why I left Builderall and what happened next. I stepped away from Builderall back in 2024. It wasn't an easy decision, but it became clear they were scaling down affiliate perks, cutting back commissions, and shifting away from what made the platform exciting for marketers in the first place. But this isn't just about what's ending, it's about what's next. Because while Builderall is shutting things down, a massive community of former affiliates and marketers have already rebuilt inside a powerful all-in-one business platform. What makes this new platform different? Here's what you get: 30% commissions on direct sales, 20% on second tier paid for life. No expiration, no catches. Payouts every 30 days via PayPal or Wise Unlimited funnels, contacts, domains. No upsells, no restrictions. Plus access to a full AI toolkit, 20 plus apps in one dashboard. ADA compliance tools, Chrome extension builder, lead magnet builder, white label webinars, digital product launch system, weekly training and expert workshops. A thriving community full of former Builderall marketers. Why so many Builderall affiliates made the switch? It's simple. They wanted a platform that respects their work, a payout system that's fair and consistent, tools that help them actually grow their business, a community that trains, supports, and celebrates every win. That's what this platform delivers. Ready to rebuild? If you're feeling blindsided by Builderall's decision, don't panic. There's a better way forward, and it's already working for people just like you. If you want extra support, more accountability, and exclusive coaching from me and James, you can join our team directly. Just go to www.ils.digital/join James. You'll become part of our private group and get custom training, extra resources, and priority support, on top of everything already included in the platform. When you join, you'll get 40 plus high converting funnel templates. Pro marketing course, bundle live coaching, Q&As, and onboarding, access to every tool, no add-ons, no upgrades needed. And always remember, we teach every member for free in live trainings, videos, and in our community. Let's rebuild stronger together. I'll see you on the inside.